gotta let cooler heads prevail, man.
Yeah, but I came all the way. I figured we'd be shooting at something today.
Well, we can still shoot at something. It's not with that.
What are you talking about?
Y'all want to do a company-wide Mad Minute?
Always?
A Mad Minute is a short period of very intense full auto fire. It was used back in Vietnam to flush out the enemy. Hold on to your hats, folks. This one's going to be fun. Y'all head back to the shop, grab everything. Got any bodies hanging around? Call it Afternoon of Delight. Bring them along, all right?
Go, go, go. All right.
Gentlemen, go. Get ammo, machine guns, roll.
Whoa. What's going on, Chris?
Zombies are coming, Steph. You gotta get your guns. Let's go.
Okay, what's really coming? What's really going on?
Will didn't let us fire the auto cannon, so he called a Mad Minute.
Hell yeah. Give me guns.
It's zombie time!
I think that's you.
Sir.
These. I got the ammo.
Machine guns.
Don't tell me you didn't have nothing better to do.
Better than this?
Hey, baby.
Hey, Daddy.
Gentlemen, choose your weapon. There you go. I guess you don't get to shoot one of my creations. You can shoot one other.
Yeah, this is good.
Load them up, boys. All right, gentlemen, lock and load. Fire! Take them out, Vaughn. Oh, man. Well, there you go, Vaughn. Kamikaze, huh?
Yeah, that's badass. That was good.